Hi guys, I welcome you all. Thanks for choosing MiMo AI. In this video, I'll guide you with a simple walkthrough demo of the MiMo AI software, Xiaomi's most advanced AI ever. You'll be able to see this dashboard after your successful login. In the left side panel, you'll have access to dashboard, AI chat, history, coding, creative studio, text-to-speech, SEO toolkit. In this dashboard, you'll see easy access to all features of MiMo AI software. Let's begin with AI chat. Type the prompt you need and then hit the enter button to see the results. Within a fraction of seconds, it will give you the results for your prompt. And if you're not satisfied with the results, you can regenerate it again. Then the history section shows you the history of all chats, coding, SEO audits, etc. in it. Let's jump to the coding feature. Just enter the prompt and then hit enter. And then wait for a few seconds to see the results. It will give you the entire codings for your projects. Next, Creative Studio. It is also known as High-Level Advanced Text-to-Image, Text-to-Video, and Image-to-Video Generator. Just enter the prompt you need, and hit enter to see the magic in seconds. And here's the cool thing, you can directly animate the generated image to a video clip without downloading the image. Just click the Animate button to start the video generation. Within a minute it will give you the video like this. If you want to generate a video with the prompt, just clear the source, and then enter the prompt and hit enter to see the magic. Then, text-to-speech feature. With this you can easily generate voiceovers using text. Enter the text you need, select the voice, format, style, and then hit the Generate Speech button below to see the result like this. Tomorrow we launch the new MiMo workspace experience. The whole product now moves with one clear voice and the SEO toolkit. It will be more helpful for your site's pages to rank higher in the results. Then finally, this account option gives you access to change your account password and to view other details like name, email, role, time zone, etc. I've covered all the options inside the app in this walkthrough demo. If you have any queries or doubts beyond this, feel free to reach out to our support team anytime. Thank you.